Guys, today we're gonna go to Hill's house. Just a little bit outside. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Hello, as usual, like this night. Yeah, we don't know what to do, so we come to Hill's house for a little eat.
Miguel.
We're gonna go. Ay!
Saan ang bayo mo? Maghawa ka ng bayo.
Okay na. So, we're up a little umbrella. We're going. Go to Jill's house.
Dahan-dahan lang ang lakad mo, be. Tatagpakan
I hate doing this with the slippers.
Baka na ka.
Ayaw ko ito. Okay. I literally hate doing this with slippers. This is the fucking kind of
Magpayo ka ng ayos.
so wet.
Tumingin ka sa daan, uy.
Natingan na ako sa daan, oh. Right? Go to this corner. Turn. Oh, that was a big hill. Look at our boots. Probably make boots of yan. Already like
Hatain mo naman,
like 2 rows.
Diyan pag ikaw nadapa-dapa.
So, probably. Especially the breath is too wet. Oh my god.